Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to start playing Asu. This popular rhythm game challenges your reflexes and timing. You will click circles, slide along paths, and spin spinners to the beat of various songs. Asu offers 4 distinct game modes, each providing a unique gameplay experience. It is completely free to play on your personal computer, and a vibrant community constantly creates new content. Let's dive into getting you set up and ready to play. To begin, first download the official Asu client directly from its website. The installation process is straightforward. Just follow the prompts. Next, create your free Asu account to save your progress and compete on leaderboards. Finally, take some time to adjust your in-game settings. Experiment with sensitivity, resolution, and other options to find what feels most comfortable for your playstyle and ensures optimal performance. Once installed, it is time to find some beat maps. You can browse and download thousands of beat maps directly from the Asu website or use the convenient in-game browser. For beginners, it is highly recommended to start with easy or normal difficulty maps. This allows you to grasp the fundamental mechanics without feeling overwhelmed. Consistent practice is key to improving your accuracy, timing, and overall rhythm. To truly improve, experiment with various skin elements and hit sounds to find what suits you best. Fine-tune your mouse sensitivity or tablet area. Even small adjustments can significantly impact your control and precision. Watching replays of top players is an excellent way to learn advanced techniques and understand optimal cursor movement. Finally, engage with the Asu community. They offer invaluable support, advice, and a great environment for friendly competition.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.